best thing you can do is just stand, walk around and come back again. So that gives a break to your spine. It doesn't allow your spine to get into that stressful situation for very long. So 8 to 9 hours of continuous sitting is a strict no, for sure.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once if the customer has become permanent customer, like if you have sent all of his data and everything, is there any place assured for him to share his feedbacks or complaints?
Of course, like feedbacks can be shared. We have our own Google review link for sure, so they can share their experience over there. We have an entire PA team which takes into consideration the experience that the patient has. So जो भी patients हमारे साथ enroll होते हैं for the treatment, उनको backend से call जाता ही है to understand. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार treatment चालू हो गया तो patient is on his own. We make sure कि पेशेंट के हर एक कंसर्न्स इमोशनली, साइकोलॉजिकली, उनका जो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस है वो प्रॉपरली ऑन सेम पेज रहना चाहिए. डॉक्टर एंड पेशेंट शुड बी ऑन सेम पेज एवरी टाइम. ऐसा नहीं कि पेशेंट कुछ और नहीं और है, डॉक्टर का दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है, वैसा नहीं है. So backend से they get the call, they can answer their queries. We have a central team, they can call up and tell whatever complaints भी अगर है और अच्छा भी feedback है, so in writing on the Google review link. Otherwise they get backend call of course to understand कि patient experience कैसा चल रहा है, that you have been taking treatment. हम भी every 4th visit, every 8th visit हमारे ऐप में there is a link, assessment link करके होता है, जिसमें हमको समझता है कि पेशेंट का अभी पेन, पहले day 1 मैंने पूछा था तो 8 out of 10 पेन था, 8 out of 10 is a severe pain. तो अभी 4th visit, 8th visit इतना ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद अभी पेन कहाँ पे आया है. सो वी कीप रेगुलेटिंग इट थ्रू द आउटकम्स. उसका आउटकम्स हम बोलते हैं. तो ये पेन स्कोर एंड दूसरा एक जो स्केल होता है उससे हम आउटकम्स अपडेट करते रहते हैं पेशेंट का प्रॉपरली टाइमली बेसिस पे आफ्टर एवरी 4th visit टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ इज देयर प्रोग्रेस गोइंग ऑन विद अस.
That sounds really great, and thank you so much for answering my question.
Yes.
Yeah.
What are the other ways for lead generation instead of social media?
So I feel the patients themselves, तो मार्केटिंग तो देखो सोशल मीडिया थ्रू होता ही है, बट पेशेंट्स जिनको हमने सक्सेसफुली रिकवर किया है, जिनको ऑर्थोपेडिक ने बोल दिया था दैट यू आर अ क्लियर कट सर्जिकल केस, बट दे डिडंट वांट टू गो फॉर सर्जरी एंड दे केम टू अस एंड वी कुड ट्रीट देम एंड नाउ दे आर फंक्शनिंग really very nicely. So they will go back and tell to 10 other people about the same thing, that how has their journey been and how have we made a very good and a positive difference in his life. So I feel कि patient का खुद का बोलना बहुत मैटर करता है, other than जैसे सोशल मीडिया तो एक बहुत important and masses तक पहुँचने का एक shortcut tool है. We can reach to huge number of people through social media because every one of us are connected in it. But other than that, if the lead generation is other than social media, if you ask me, then it is definitely the patient themselves everywhere.
My name is Kajal Kore and my
Hi,
question
Kajal.
is related to the safety. So I would like to ask what kind of steps taken to ensure the safety of employees as well as visitors too.
Okay.
Because sometimes some visitors can. Let's take my example. I was little bit nervous because I was imagining that I am going to see some patients and I was nervous very much.
Correct.
So what kind of tips you would like to give to the visitors who feels nervous?
Okay, so in such case, the patient counselor who sit right at the front, they have a huge role to play because वो first contact पे आते हैं patient. Doctor comes as the second contact here. तो वो उनका बहुत बड़ा responsibility आता है वहाँ पे that they greet the patient, they make the patient comfortable, they ask them for water. देखो ये बेस बहुत ही छोटी चीज़ है, but for the patients who are really nervous उनके लिए बहुत matter करता है छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें. So that is how it is. And of course, like greeting the patient and making them comfortable in a way is something, क्योंकि वो होते हैं कुछ patients इतने pain में होते हैं that they are very apprehensive. So हम उनको ऐसा wait नहीं कराएंगे, कोई इतने दर्द में है तो उनको पूरा 20 मिनट तक या 10 मिनट तक, मे बी मैं किसी और patient के साथ और वो जल्दी आ गए हैं, उनका appointment time हुआ नहीं है, तो it is not good कि इतने दर्द में इंसान को हम बिठा के रखें. So allotting a room immediately to them, giving them a hot pack थोड़ा सा ताकि वो relax हो जाए, उनके रिलेटिव को अलाउ कर देना. वी डू अलाउ रिलेटिव, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट वी फॉलो हियर, कि हम रिलेटिव्स को बाहर वेट करते नहीं बोलते हैं. इट इज नॉट अ स्ट्रिक्ट रूल कि आप बाहर बैठ जाओ. जो भी पेशेंट के साथ आया है, वी अलाउ द रिलेटिव इनसाइड द ट्रीटमेंट रूम, सो दे कैन बी देयर विद देयर फैमिली मेंबर, विद देयर लव्ड वन, सो दैट दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल दैट वे.
Thank you so much.
वेलकम.
Excuse me, ma'am.
या
As you said, sitting more than 40 to 45 minutes is harmful for spine.
Correct.
So what are the exercises for us, because our lectures is about 2 hours or more than 2 hours.
Correct.
For 3 to 2 lectures, so it's 6 hours.
Correct.
So what are the exercises we should do to treat our spine?
Basically extending your spine, because if you're sitting, it is in itself a forward bending activity. So standing in place and just doing the extensions, because you do not have an access to a bed there when you are in your lecture. So just extending your back behind, because if this is causing a stress, so this will eliminate that excess stress which has got built up in sitting. Right, so just one movement, and other than that, definitely you need to strengthen your core. So you have to do a lot of abdominal exercises, bridging exercise for your buttock muscle. You need to exercise your knee muscles. You need to address your back so that it is not very tight that way. So it depends on the medical condition. You're very young, so you can go for stretches and all also, so that you can stretch your back nicely, so that it is not under undue tension for a very long time that way. So basically, but most important, you stand and do the extension and again get back to sitting. So that is the minimal thing that you can do in middle of your lectures. That will help you.
Actually, ma'am.
Yeah, please. You are trying to ask some.
What type of food do you prefer for strengthening our muscle?
So food-wise, diet is a very a variable thing. हर एक इंसान के लिए बहुत vary करता है. I don't think I'll be the right person because I'm not a dietitian. I'm not specialized in that way. But protein-rich diet, अच्छा fiber-rich diet होना is very important. Proper sun exposure होना for good vitamin D levels in your body is very important, because I have observed through the cases I've seen here that there are people who have a lot of vitamin D deficiency,